What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. As you know, I'm Lashae, and today I have a very exciting video. Oh, hold on, let me get comfortable. I have a very exciting video. I have a nail haul. It's a small nail haul. I just recently went to Michael's and the nail supply store, and I picked up a few things, but they're really good things, and I just want to share them with y'all. So that's what I'm gonna do. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you're alerted every single time I upload. Okay, so first we're gonna start with any, mini, money, mo, catch, take a bite. So if you don't go, my mom told me to pick the very best one, and you are out this very good game. First, we're gonna start with the actual nail supply store. If you live in Tampa, I went to LA Nails to get this stuff. So first we're going to start with this transfer foil glue. I was using the McCart transfer foil off of Amazon. That one was $10. But I was using, if you saw my last haul, I tried to use that butterfly foil and it was so patchy. So my fellow classmate told me that she got this from LA Nails. It's XKJ Professional Art Nail. This literally says Professional Art Nail, but okay. Star glue. So this was $4. So I was like, okay, let me try this. It literally looks like glue. Like this looks like nail polish glue. Like, this is crazy. So hopefully it actually works. Let me show y'all the consistency of the McCart transfer foil. I mean glue. I said transfer foil, but I meant glue. But yeah, this is what it looks like. This is like a lot more liquidy. So when I used it, it wasn't all the way dry, and I cured it for a whole minute, which is what it says on here. Not on here, but on the little paper it come with. I think it said a minute. I don't know. I think I cured it for 30 seconds and then it was still wet. So I cured it for another 30 seconds and it still wasn't working. But this is a lot thicker. So I believe this is gonna work. I don't know. Follow me on Instagram to find out. And I'll put my Instagram on the screen. So I got this duster brush. I have used this already. That's why it's open. But it was $4. And it's just, you know, a basic duster brush. Okay. I got this Gentle primer from No Live Nails. I have been using this. I used it on these nails and none of them have lifted yet. Oh, hold up, baby. Okay, this one is lifting a little bit. But you know what? My pointer fingers are the main ones that be coming off. So I'm honestly not surprised. But the other nails are still very much intact. Okay. So, yeah. And this was the only one they had. But I believe they do have a stronger one. I just wanted to try it because it's No Lift Nails, like it's literally in the title. So yeah, so far it's so good. I think this was like, I don't know how much this was, I really forgot, but I think it was like $11, either $7 or $11, but at Sally's it's like $14. So okay, so next I got these white sanding bands. They are coarse. I used this in my last video. If you haven't watched it, stop what you're doing, go watch that one. Like it, comment if you're nice, and then come back to this one. But yeah, so I got these. I believe they were either $4 or $5. I don't know, but I like them so far, you know. Is there really a way you cannot like sanding bands? I don't know, but whatever. I got those because I was running out of the ones that came in my drill thing. I'm literally just now about to run out. So yeah. So next, I don't know if I mentioned this in my, I don't think I did. I didn't. Oh, hold on. Okay. What was I even talking about? Okay, no. Alright, so I don't think I mentioned this in my last nail haul, but this is a painting gel by Gel Beauty in the color gold. I haven't used it yet, so I don't really know what it's like. Let me open it. I want to use it in my next set, so I'm going to soak these off and use it. If I can get it open. So that is how it looks. It's really metallic and pretty. I'm excited to use this, honestly. It needs to be like stirred up because it looked like it's like separating something. I don't know. But I do like stuff that comes with a sealer like that because you know that, ain't nobody mess with it. I bought this monomer. This is their house monomer. Like LA Nails made this. I'm gonna get this. Wow. You ever smelled monomer and it's just like, it's in the back of your throat, like, oh my gosh, like, ooh, hot. That bit is hot. So, yeah, this was $19.95 for 6 ounces of monomer. $20 for 6 ounces. And I only got this one because this is 8 ounces and this is $8. So, yeah. So next I got these 2 foils. They were both $1. This one is a zebra print. Super cute. And then this one is like butterflies and dream catchers and feathers. You can't really see it, but it looks cute. So hopefully, they are. Anyways, they were only $1, so whatever. Next I got these little holographic butterflies. And this is like the most basic thing that you can, no offense, but this is like the most basic, this is like one of the first things every nail tech should have. Like these little holographic butterflies, like everybody should have these. And I'm just now getting them. I'm so late on game, but I have them now, so that's all that matters. And they were $2. So okay, so that's all I got from the nail supply store. So now I'm gonna get into what I got from Michael's, and we're gonna start off with these cute little papers I got. So I saw my good sis Kelly Couture on Instagram. Y'all make sure y'all go follow her because she does some bomb ass nails. Like she was one of the main reasons why I even started doing nails. Like she is so bomb. She did my birthday nails one year and I was like, I was in love with them. She is so bomb. Y'all please go follow her. But yeah, so I saw her have this as one of her backgrounds one time. It still has the plastic wrap on it. I don't want to take it off yet. But I was like, oh, that's from Michael's. And I didn't even think of, using it as a backdrop for nails. So this was $1.99. All of these were $1.99. Then I got this silver holographic one. And then I got this white iridescent one. You can't even really tell. There we go. So yeah. And they are really pretty. So I got those. Okay, so next item is this, which I am, I'm gonna save this for last because I'm too excited. Next are these little fruit slices. Y'all, when I saw these, I was like, you have got to be kidding me. Because I was just gonna order some off Amazon and I think it was like $6 or $7. Y'all, this was $3.99 and it comes with all of these slices. Let me take some out for y'all. And it does come with a little I just have so much respect for companies who do this. Like, thank you. But yeah, so let me show y'all some of these. And they are thin, y'all. Like, they not too thick. They not too thick. And they are so cute. I have yet to... This is also like another thing that I feel like all nail techs have. Like, beginner nail techs have. Not even beginner, just every nail tech has. And I am just now getting it. But I'm glad I waited until this exact moment, because I would have spent that $6 to $7 when I could have just spent $4 or $3.99 at Michael's. And actually, I had a coupon, because you know Michael's always got coupons, so it was $3.19. Boo. But yeah, I got these little fruit slices. Next, I got these little gold flowers. You cannot really see them. But yeah, these little gold flowers. These are actually beads for like jewelry, but I'm gonna use them as like 3D charms, because why not? Hello, who doesn't love a 3D charm? And they were on sale. I think they have like red and green beads on sale, like $1.99, $2.99, something like that. Next, I got this. It says it's an embossing powder. I don't really know what that means, but I love the glitter in this. Let's see if y'all can see it. Of course you can. It's just a white glitter, and it has like a purple sparkle. So I mixed this, and I also got this glow in the dark powder. It has like a white, it's like a greenish white powder, and then it has like a slight shimmer that's the same color as the powder. So I mixed these two in some white and clear acrylic to make like a glow in the dark white sparkly powder. So last but not least, this is what I wanted to wait to show y'all, because this is my favorite thing. If you know me, you know I love sparkles and glitter and shiny and anything like that, and pink. So this is not pink, but okay, get off. Whatever. It is this little box. It's called a lockable. I'll insert the picture of what it looked like with the wrapper on it, so if y'all see it, y'all will know exactly what it is. So it's this little container. It's like a book type situation. I put this little N on here for Nia because duh. I also got this from Michael's too. This was in the clearance section, but it's just like a little iron-on patch or whatever, except I didn't iron it on. It was already sticky, so I just stuck it on there. Anyways, so when you open it up, it has little containers for you to keep all of your jewels. Okay, so y'all seen how that fell, right? None of them are falling out. Like, not one fell out. Like, y'all, okay, let's get it together. Like, y'all, so if you don't know, Michael's does have Swarovski crystals. Like, it come in a little pack. They had them on sale, so I got some. And I put all of those in here. So this is like my Swarovski little book guide. So over here I have all of the colors, and then over here I have like black and white and like some of the clear ones, like Crystal AB or whatever. And then I found, let me show y'all, I love these. My boyfriend actually got this for me. He had there was one pack that came with these little pearls, And then it was these clear ones and these little stars by Swarovski. And I was like, bruh, this is so cute. Like, I've never seen this in my life, ever. So, yeah, I was very appreciative of that. And yeah, like, this is literally my favorite thing. Like, I'll just open this and stare at it because it's just so cute. It's so organized. It's so cute. It's so organized. And it just makes me really, really happy. I don't know. I love it. I love it. Look at the crystals. Look at the crystals. Super cute. So, yeah, guys, that is all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and like. Hit that notification bell so that you're alerted every time your girl upload. And I will see you in my next video. It should be me doing this set. If it's not, it'll be me doing a set with this inspo powder I'm gonna make by however you say it. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So yeah, if that sounds, interesting, make sure you stay tuned and click that notification bell like I said, so that you can see it. You know what I'm saying? Come back and see your girl, because I'd like for you to. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Stay sweet and stay blessed. Bye.